Итак, я нахожусь на пляже, ищу интересных людей и, кажется, интересный парень. Hi, hello.
Hi.
Do you speak English?
Yes.
Do you speak Russian?
I can speak a little.
Oh, that's good. How old are you?
I'm 29 years old.
29? Wow. You look younger.
Thank you. Actually, I have been here from 3 years. I'm going to India. I'm coming back to Yakutsk because I like Yakutsk. This is my first time in summer. And 3 times I came in winter because I like winter so much. So this is my first time in summer and I'm enjoying. And today's weather is plus 28, but I'm not going in the water because the water is still cold for me. But it's hot for local people here, so I'm just enjoying the view. It's
So,
very nice vibe.
sorry, excuse me. What's your name?
My name is Vivek.
Vivek. Your name is so interesting and good and unusual for our country, but it's so beautiful name.
My Russian name is Vitya.
Vita. Can you speak in Russian words?
Да, меня зовут Vivek.
Витя. Меня зовут Витя.
Меня зовут Витя. That's it.
That's it. Сколько тебе лет?
29.
Супер. Классно, ты говоришь очень хорошо.
Чуть-чуть.
Чуть-чуть. Спасибо тебе большое за интервью. Будем знакомы. Еще увидимся на пляже.
Welcome.
Goodbye.
Bye.